look so good.
Ha baby, cena niet lately, schoen de mooiste palm, hebben dat je treedt is aan het wonderen.
Okay, 5-story 30 laffer challenge. It's gonna be interesting. What are you gonna do? Yeah, of course. And of course he hits. Oh my gosh, it's like, no, this is gonna be. That's when I lure. Just destroy him. Okay, this is gonna be hard. If it's like, oh god, I guess I'll lure then Toon up. Okay, that hit. That's good. Okay. That should be enough. And it is. Okay. Oh, of course. Legal. Lure in yes. Ferdinand. Birthday. Chit chat. I don't know. This is going quick. If we don't have like any difficulties here, this might go well. I just hope he doesn't die. Lure. I gotta hope this hits. Okay, that's good. Okay, if he uses that, yeah, that's enough. Okay, and there's gonna be another cog. And we should be good. And then 2 more floors. And it's a backstabber. Okay. I'm gonna run out of lure here. only use a cloud for this one. Go squirt. Well then, he doesn't answer anymore. Even though oh, that was a square. I wasn't sure what it was. Okay. He uses the correct punctuation of everything. That apostrophe, that is. Dun 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 dun. Use that again. I moved my microphone away a little bit, so it's like a little bit too loud. Oh my god. Dude, we're only getting level 8s. I mean, it's a cog building in Toontown Central, so... Oh yeah, this is in Toontown Central. Me and my friend found a 5-story in Toontown Central. That was funny. I'm running out of gags. This please be enough. Yes, it's enough. Okay, that means I can do that. Last floor, let's go. This should be good. It's probably gonna be only one cog, that's what every other floor was. So, 4 cogs. Oh gosh, we have we got something to work with here. Some guy gotta hope this hits. Just lure. Hope it hits. Please survive. Yes. Okay, try again. Okay, hits this time. I'm gonna tune him up. Perfect hit to 10. Okay, we should be good. If he has enough of those cream pie slices, we should be good. Let's take out this level 7. Okay, I think this is a challenge completed. My first challenge, and that last moment was scary. Squirt, squirt. Okay. Oh. That wasn't expected. Let me just lure him back, because we need that knockback damage. Okay, we should be good. Okay, okay. Hope you guys enjoyed my first challenge, Toons Challenge Group. Hope you'll be back. Like, favorite, subscribe. I don't know. And see you guys next time.